Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Sanjana. In today's video, I'll be setting up my planner for the month of February. For today's video, I'll be using a couple of sticker books from Happy Planner, and I might end up using some other stickers from different brands. Let's see as we go. So yeah, the first thing that I would want to mark is important dates. And February this month is like not so busy for me. I mean, it's busy in the sense of like my usual tasks, whether it's college or work. And yeah, so there are not many like personal special days. The only thing is Valentine's Day. And in these Planner Basics sticker book, there are these holidays page. So I found this sticker and I thought, why not, let's mark it. So I'm gonna put that here. And I do think that there are some heart stickers in this, but again, I'm not sure if I had used that in another planning video. I remember using some of these. I don't know if they were I've used all of them. There looks like, oh, you know what? I have another sticker actually. Let me just grab that. Yes, there are some hearts here, and this came as a freebie in one of the Happy Planner books. This was actually bought last year, so why not add this? So the important dates is done, and the next thing that I want to mark is my bills, and for that I'll be using stickers from the budget sticker book. And yeah, and by the way, I just wanted to quickly address that this week I couldn't upload all the videos. You know, just life happens, and I did try, and then the video came out really crappy. I was not in a state of mind wherein I could like actively plan and use all of these things, so I just let it go. And I am back here. Okay, so the first bill that I have is on Tuesday, and I want to put it over here. I just want to line it up using this line here. So my goal is to upload like at least 5 videos a week, and whenever possible, if I have some extra videos, extra time, I'll be uploading on all the days. Yeah, and the next bill that I have is on 21st. Let's use this one over here. I'm gonna put that there, and then another one I have, two of them I have on 26th and 27th. So I use probably this lavender and this yellow one. So yeah, and regarding the affirmations as well, I am working on it. It'll come probably on Sunday. I have shortlisted all the affirmations and kind of what do you say, like customized it a little bit to make sure that it works, and certain types of affirmations have not worked for me. So things that do not work for me, I'm not saying that they'll not work for everyone, but I do not prefer recommending those. So I'm trying to customize it based on what's worked for me. So I'm working on that. It'll come to you guys on Sunday. Okay, so this is done. Another thing that I want to mark is my paydays. For that, I'm going to be using stickers from the teacher sticker book. This is one of my favorite payday stickers. No, it is here. Yeah. I get paid every other week on Fridays. So I'm gonna put that here, one on 5th, and the other on 19th. Like I mentioned, Feb is, especially this year, is not gonna be that eventful in terms of like usual college and work stuff, but I'm really excited to, you know, work on, I don't know if you guys watch all of my videos, but I did mention that I will be launching my own stickers this year. So this is the month where I will really begin to look into, you know, all the logistics aspect of it, like shipping, production, and all of that. Oh, I don't know why I removed it. Okay, so this is done, and the next thing that I want to mark is my yoga tracker, the 30-day challenge one. Before that, let's do a little bit of decorating, and for that I'm gonna be using my squat goals sticker book. And what I thought was, there are these flowers that are quite similar to the ones that are already there on the planner, so I thought I could sprinkle some flowers on overall in the calendar. Let's start with this, and for that I'm gonna use some scissors. I want to line this up in accordance with the boxes, the calendar boxes, so I thought I could do that over here, and then let's bring it to this side. Yeah, and I also have in the same book there are some washi designs. I also want to use that. And which other color? Let's use this. There's a little bit of this color, and then this one would go. Let's put it over here. So that's done, and then let's bring in, I don't know if I want to bring in this color. There is a little bit of, you know, like pinkish red. Let's bring the smaller one and see how that's gonna look. I think I'm actually gonna use like a full flower over here, just like this. Over here, if you have not watched, like if you're new to my channel and not watched it, I have created one whole spread with these flowers, a weekly planner spread. I will link it up if you're interested to have a look. I really enjoyed filming that video. It was very creative and nice. So I'll put this over here. And regarding like me missing videos, yesterday I really felt like I wish I had that feature where, you know, you can directly post on Instagram with just an image, but until you have 1,000 subscribers, you will not have access to post that. We are quarter way through right now. When I'm filming this video, I think we are at 250 subscribers. So if you haven't subscribed and you like watching my videos, then I would highly appreciate if you could subscribe to my channel. I'm gonna use this. I know it's gonna cover up the dates, but it's fine. So this is nice. Let's put in a bit of washi and then come back to this florals. So I have this here, and the washi tape that I wanted to use are these ones. I feel the color is really good. It kind of goes with the theme, so I thought I could use this. And my plan with this washi is to randomly like put on dates and, you know, just create some sort of blocks just randomly. It would have been nice if I would have had a purpose for these days, but I don't. And yeah, I think it's looking nice. Let's go with it. Let's put it here and there. So I usually used to plan these videos, I mean sit and use stickers and all of that on the last weekend, like not last weekend, probably towards the end of the month or on the first weekend of that particular month. And because I'm uploading these videos on YouTube, I wanted to put it out a little bit in advance so that if you guys use the same planner, or even if you don't, actually when I was planning, I would just play other planning videos on the background, watch those videos, and then sit and plan mine. in case you like watching my videos, you could put my video on the background and just sit and plan. So that's done. Let's do another one here. And on this weekend, like the upcoming weekend, I think you guys would be watching this on Friday or Saturday. During the weekend, I'm gonna put out like multiple videos because I need to like film this as well. I think I'm gonna film it tomorrow, and then my weekly plan with me, my weekly overview, you know, the dashboard one. I have a lot to like share with you guys in terms of videos this week. No, I don't want to change that up. There's like a, I don't think I'll be using it. Bring in more of this pink. I actually like the look of chopping just a little bit instead of half. If you have any video requests, leave them under this video because I think probably this weekend I'm going to be planning my content for February. So if you have any video requests, do leave them. I'll just add it to my list and work on it. One of the videos that I'm planning to work on next week is doing a weekly planning video without any stickers. A couple of you requested, so I thought I would give it a try. I will still be decorating it, like not with stickers, probably with something else. I thought it would be a nice creative challenge. So I have these, and I do wish I had more of these. I really want it here. Let's see if we can bring in other washi pattern similar to this that would kind of complement that. I like this actually. Let's give this a try. I really liked it. It's in the same, you know, dull kind of pastel tone. Yeah, this is looking nice. This place kind of looked a bit off. I'm gonna put that there. And then another one can go here. By the way, what I was saying is that if you have any video requests, like leave them down below. And also if you're looking for any specific stickers, leave them down. Right now, the comments that I've received are, you know, more functional stickers and a little bit of decorative ones. So functional stickers would be something like these or the other boxes, colorful boxes that I use. I think we're fine. Now let's go with our yoga box. In January, I'm currently doing a 30-day yoga challenge from Yoga with Adrian, and I'm planning to do another one in February as well. This time it will not be live, it will be an older one, but I think I want to do either True, the practice name is called True, or I don't know what's the other one. The other one was something in terms of like changing stuff, reinvent or something like that. I forgot the name actually. So I'm planning to do either of them, and I really like marking this, kind of separating it from the other habits that I have, because this is my focus for 2021 to practice yoga. I don't want to say every single day because I don't know if that's realistically possible, but as many days as possible out of all the 365 days. So I want to do that, and then I want to mark this with a sticker called Be Mindful. I still don't know what practice I'm going to be doing in specific. By the way, I will be doing setting up like my yoga calendar, so I will let you know by then. I thought I could use Be Mindful sticker. Do we go with Be Mindful or Stay Positive? Let's go with Stay Positive. Which color shall we use? I think I'm gonna use this. So let's go with stay positive, and I'm gonna place it over here. I know this is for yoga, so I'm just gonna leave that there. And one more thing I want to mark is, oh my god, the reward one is going so good. Let me show it to you guys. I wanted to get this so many sticker book, so I thought I would challenge myself and see if I could practice yoga on all the 30 days. I would treat myself with this sticker book. So it was really nice. I think it acted as a motivation, so I thought I would do that. Mark, like, I still don't know what I would be treating myself with. Probably I would update by the time I create my yoga calendar. So I have these stickers from a kit that I had used. I could use this, it kind of goes along with the same color theme. Let's go with it. So I'm gonna put this over here, a little bit towards this side, and again, like last time, I want to use the treat yourself sticker, which is from the wellness sticker book. Probably gonna be using this color because it matches with that. Great, we have our yoga setup as well. I think I'm done stickering up this spread. With regards to this monthly overview, I will be uploading a video tomorrow on this. If you're interested more like in functional planning, I would highly recommend you to come back to this one. So yeah, if you enjoyed watching this video, it would be really helpful if you could give this video a thumbs up, as well as subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. So yeah, that's it for today's video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.